أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Inshallah. Bismillah ta'ala. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah, I'm good as well. Alhamdulillah. So Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 8 of this video editing course. By the Izni of Allah, we have learned so much on this course. Alhamdulillah. So please rectify your intention before we begin. Make niyyah that you're going to do this just for the sake of Allah, so that you can learn the skill for the betterment of the deen, for serving the deen, inshallah. So earn rewards while learning this video editing today, inshallah, by rectifying your intention to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, inshallah. So I rectify your intentions and begin with the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in whatever you're doing, okay? Inshallah ta'ala. Seek help of Almighty Allah, because we are nothing without the help of Allah. So let's continue this journey of being a productive Muslim or a Muslimah using our smartphone, inshallah ta'ala. So let's quickly recap whatever we had done in previous classes. It was nothing but we started off with the test project, and then we learned about aspect ratios. We learned about the editing interface, the workspace of the KineMaster, the timeline, the media circle, the control bar, the video window, and then we had so many other things that we had seen in the advanced editing tools, so such as asset marketplace, and then export and share were also discussed, and then the advanced editing tools were discussed based on the video or the photo that we had, right? So subhanallah, these were all the tools that we went through, which we all studied, and we have just edited using these tools, right? We have edited such beautiful videos using these tools, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, your cooperation was excellent, mashallah. The homeworks that you are submitting, mashallah, those are so excellent. Barakallahu fiki. May Allah grant barakah in it, inshallah. You will reach a level of the pro editor, inshallah, in the future. So here we have in yesterday's class we had discussed about the most important concepts. These were the green screen removal, the pan and zoom was studied, and then we have learned something about the what was it in yesterday's class? It was chroma key, right? Yes, please type down in the comment box what did we study in yesterday's class. It was based on the cropping, the shaping, the adding the feather. It was based on the layers, right? Adding the layer to the video, and that removing the background from that layer. Yes, we studied about the duplication of a video, duplication of the video into a layer. Yes, how to mute the video. Yes, how to mute the video. What more? How to crop the video, how to crop the audio, how to crop the image and add mask to it, and add feathers to it, right? And one more important thing that we had discussed was the chroma key, right? The chroma key that is helpful in removing the background image of the image. Fine, background of the image or the video. Okay, the chroma key is essential for green screen content. Fine, the green screen videos or green screen images, you can just remove the background using the chroma key. Fine. Okay, alhamdulillah, this was a major concept that we had discussed in previous class. Using the green screen effect, I gave you a homework that you had to do. Most of them have submitted, and I have not received many homeworks this time. Probably you found it difficult. How many of you found it difficult? Please type in the chat box. I want to know. The chroma key. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So, inshallah, we'll be discussing that again. Okay, I want you all to concentrate in the class because the chroma key, the green screen is essential in advanced editing. Fine, to be a pro level editor, you have to learn the chroma key and to how to remove the green screen effect. Yes, chroma key effect was difficult. Yes, okay, fine, okay. We will discuss that inshallah in today's class. Fine. Okay, dear sisters. So this was the thing that we had learned in yesterday's class. So again, we are going to learn about the chroma key with the green screen videos as well in today's class. And also we will see the yesterday's homework that most of you have not done right. Okay. So inshallah, we'll be discussing that. So are you all ready with your KineMaster on your phone? Open the KineMaster app on your smartphone and then inshallah be ready with it. Okay, alhamdulillah. If you do not have to revise this, no problem. Be ready with a book to note down the key points. Okay, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. I'm just quickly going to screen share. Bismillah. Let's see the class today, inshallah. So we are into the day 8 of this course by the help of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismillah. Let me just open the KineMaster. Yesterday we had discussed about the changing the aspect ratio. Again, I'm going to tell you how to change the aspect ratio of the video, how to know what is the aspect ratio of the video. Just look here, it is 16:9. The aspect ratio is 16:9. 3:4 for this video. The aspect ratio is 1:1 for this video. To change the aspect ratio of the video, you do not have to recreate the project and set. What you have to do is you have to just click on this three dot option, go to the duplicate, click on the duplicate option, then it will be duplicated in whichever aspect ratio you want. You can just click whichever aspect ratio on and you can just change the project name and keep a duplicate of that project. Fine, it will be within a second, so it will be created and the aspect ratio will be changed for that video. So this video had 16:9 aspect ratio, now it has 1:1 aspect ratio. Just see here the first two videos 16:9, 1:1 aspect ratio. So this is how you change the aspect ratio. This was the doubt which was asked again in yesterday's class. So let me begin with the creation of the project. This is how we dealt with it. So let me just create a project. If you want, you can add the project name also. Okay, if you're an urgent mode to make a video, then you just don't have to add it. A KineMaster will assign it by itself. Fine. So let me just see what we have for yesterday's thing. Okay, let me just add any of the video that I want. Okay, let me add this video. Okay, so the image that was given yesterday in yesterday's class was the Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim with a background. Okay, I gave it intentionally. I have told you already that I have given it with the background because I want you all to remove the background. Okay, so because of that, I have given the image with the background, with the white background. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, for now, what you all did was you just added Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim from the media itself. No, you're not supposed to add it from the media. If you add it from the media, it will appear as a photo. Fine, it will appear as a separate photo. What I asked was add it as a layer on the video. Okay, to add it as a layer on the video, what you have to do is you have to go to this option and not for this option. Fine. Any doubts, please write it down and we will discuss that later again. Okay, write it down and keep somewhere. Okay, throughout the video you will be learning most of the concepts, inshallah. So listen to this carefully. You're not going to add the media on the first layer. What I told was add this Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim as a layer. Fine, this is a base will have the video and I want Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim upon this video. Fine, upon the video that I had given yesterday. So to get something upon the video, you have to make it as a layer, right? It should appear as a layer on this timeline. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, see here. So to do this, you are not going to make it as a base of the video, but you'll just delete this, and what you have to do is you have to select this one, and then what you're going to do is upon this video you're going to add a layer. Fine, upon this video you're going to add a layer. Go to the media and add it as a layer. Fine, let me just select that image. This is the image that is available here. And one more layer I had told you, that was of this logo that was EDU-SITE. Fine, let me add that as well. Okay, now we have these two layers. They are overlapping upon each other. Let me just replace both of these layers. See here upon the timeline, just replace it. You can reorder everything on the timeline. See here, where are these two layers available? These are available on the timeline, right? On the layer bar. Replace it, start it from the start of the timeline. it was showing some gap here, it was showing some gap here. So what I had to do was I just rearranged it such that it can start from the start of the timeline. See here, it has started from the start of the timeline. Now what you have to do is you have to increase the duration of this layer such that these layers are till the 10 seconds or the entire video. So let me just increase the duration. How to increase the duration of this layer? Click on the layer. There is yellow thing, and with the four dots here, yellow thing with the four dots. Press it tightly, and just move towards the right. Press it tightly, move towards the right. See, this way you have increased the duration of line. This is how you increase the duration. And for the next logo also have to increase the duration from here till here. Okay, this is how you do the duration thing. Then let me just replace it. How replace it? Reorder it. Let me order this somewhere here in the time on the video, and let me order this somewhere in the middle of it. Okay, let me do it in this way. Okay, we have two things. Now, what did I explain to remove the background of this layer? First, you're going to see some options that we had discussed in layer. We had discussed about one option named cropping yesterday, right? Cropping, how to crop this layer up. You can also use this option cropping. Let me just see how we can use cropping. Just see how you can add the mask. You can add the mask to this video. You can add the square mask, you can add the rectangular mask, you can add any mask, round mask, and more. If you add this mask, and you can also add the feathers. See how beautiful it is looking. You can add the feathers. See, almost all the background is gone, right? You can do it in this way as well. But what I told you was I wanted you all to make use of something different thing. What was that? It was nothing but a chroma key. Let me just start with the chroma key. Let me open the chroma key. Okay, to enable this chroma key, what you're going to do, you're just clicking on the enable button, right? And then you're going to toggle these bars. Now let me just remove the cropping so that I want the background, and I want you to show how you're going to remove the background with the chroma key. Okay, there are some other effects in the KineMaster that can remove the background, but for now I'm teaching you how to use the chroma key. Fine, let me just open the chroma key option. You're going to enable the chroma key. Now you're going to remove the background of this video. How to remove the background of this photo? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Just toggle this bar up. Okay, the first thing what I've told you is key color is important. What is the key color of the background? It is white color, right? The white color has to be removed. I've told already that if it is a green screen content, majorly the green screen content will give you the accurate result. So key color is white here, right? The background color is white here. Press on the white color is vanished off. So this is how you do chroma key. You can just increase or decrease the toggle to make it more accurate. Just toggle it up, okay? Do this 75%, bring it 20% so that you will get the perfect screen at the perfect without the background. Fine. So this is how you remove the background of any content. Fine. So this is the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim that I wanted, and I wanted this in yesterday's homework, and this was it. And you could just can add more of the options like adjustment. You can do the adjustments and make it brighter. See here, you can increase the contrast to make it so seem so good. See, to increase the quality of this, you can decrease the vibrance, you can increase the vibrance, you can apply the temperature. You have just changed it in such a beautiful image, right? The Bismillahirrahmanirrahim that was with the background image, now it has changed in such a way that you are not understanding whether you had created an image, or you have taken an image, or you have taken a PNG file here, right? So this is how you did it. You can also increase the adjustments, or you can also do some filters. You can apply some filters to this. You can apply any filters to this. You can add the blending to this. Blendings are so beautiful. You can just check these options. Okay, I'll show you later how you can just do without even using the chroma key. With the blending, you can remove the background of this. Okay, I'll show you later. Okay, let me just keep it this side. Okay, this is what I wanted in yesterday's homework. Then there is a logo called EDU-SITE. Let me just open it up. Let me just enlarge it up. Okay, so I want the background itself. Let me just try with some other tool. Let me first start with the cropping. Okay, I can mask it up. I can just give the round form for the logo, and I can just add the feather. See, only the EDU-SITE is visible. Okay, one more thing, one more option available for layering, my dear sisters and brothers. Here there is one more option available for layering. For example, if there is a content in the YouTube and they don't want you to copy that, what they do is they keep their logo in the center, right? Have you all not seen that? Yes, probably you all have seen that. They keep their logo in the center, and what they do is they decrease the opacity of that logo. Fine. Let me just not crop this. They'll keep this logo as such, and they go to the opacity. Where is the opacity here? Alpha opacity. Can you just not see a extra edition here in the advanced edition tools, advanced editing tools? There is something called alpha opacity. Just open it up and decrease the opacity of this. Fine. See how you can do this. And also, you do not want the background, blue background adjust. You want the edge side, and let me just go with the adjustments, or let me just go with the something called as the there's something called as blending. Okay, I told you the blending works wonders here. Fine, let me just show the blending here. Let me increase opacity and show you how this blending works. Okay, let me start with the last one, glow. See here, the glow has removed the background without any difficulty. Reflect, negation, phonics, this one, subtract, exclusion, difference. See, okay, try it all and see. You just can remove the background within the seconds. Background of the video here, background of the images here. Fine. So this is how you do it. You can give the hard light, soft light, or more. The soft light will decrease the background colors and more. Okay. So this is how you actually the screen thing also can do it. The lighten thing, linear, burn color, burn darken thing, multiply, normal. All of these blending tools are essential, and they are actually very good to go with. Okay, so you can just use this blending tools and keep it here, and also you can give it a cropping so that you won't encounter the blue background that was at the down. And so how to crop this image? There is something called this one. Just see here, there is something. You can just move this. Okay, move this up. You just can have only this much image. How to crop this content? It is this way. Let me just keep it here somewhere. Let me just keep it here somewhere. Okay, what else did we teach in yesterday's class? It was about in animation, it was out animation. How did we give in animation and out animation to the layers? What did we do? Just give in animation here, pop or fade, how it will appear when it is coming into the video. Okay, you can give any of the animation. Let me just give rubber stamp because I like this option. Okay, let me just see in animation, let it fade and come, the logo, let it fade and come. If you play this video and see here how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Fine, this is how you do it. Okay, the edge side option, this one, if you cannot, if you do not find it, fine, just go to the cropping and just remove the cropping. It was just masking it off. Okay, so it showed in that way. So this is how you actually edit this videos. Fine, this was all about the layering. Fine, the layering, and this was majorly about the chroma key. Okay, so inshallah we are going to continue the class. It is day 8 into the course, so we'll see more topics now. We are going to see more topics like how to edit the audios and more, inshallah. So bismillah. So that was the yesterday's class that we had studied, the chroma key and more. That was the homework that was given for you all. Fine. Okay. So hope you all have understood the chroma key option. I want you all to be very concentrating in upcoming class, the session that I'm taking now, in upcoming classes as well. I want you all to concentrate well. Okay, so this is a background that I had taken. Fine, now it is a background, and now this is everything we have learned about the video and the photo option on the timeline. Fine, we have learned all of these options, right? All of these editing tools, all of these advanced editing tools, alhamdulillah, we have studied in the previous classes. Okay, and what about the photos? Even if we have the photos there, we have also studied the photo editing tools that is encountered in the KineMaster, the advanced photo editing tools. Now we just went through the layering, right? The second layer of the KineMaster app, the second layer, not the base layer. We are studying about the second layer, adding the layers to this video, adding the background videos, adding the photos upon the photos, the logo upon it, the written upon it, or something, the photo upon it, and all we are going to discuss in today's and upcoming classes. Fine, and we had studied about the audio thing. Fine, yesterday's few of the sisters had doubt how to add the audio. Okay, there is an option named audio here. Can you all not see? In the first class itself we had discussed, dear sisters and brothers, dear students, here it is an audio option that is available here. please look into it. It is an audio option that we have. Some of the students have asked how to trim up the audio. Okay, how to trim up the audio, how to trim up the video. It is the same procedure as the video. For the video, if you want only from 11 second till 20 second, what do you do? What do you all do, dear sisters and brothers? You go to the 6th second, click it here, and go to the trim option, and you can just trim the left. And if you want something from the only from 12 seconds till the 12 seconds, go to this and just trim, press the trim option and trim right. Or you can do another procedure. What did I tell you? Which this is a 24-second video. Fine. For this 24-second video, if you want only, if you do not want 7 to 16-second video, you go to the 7-second and split it up, and then go to the 16-second, split it up, and delete this mid content. This is how you split and delete, right? Now you have got your video that you want, correct? This is how you do it. And if there is an audio, okay, this is a question raised frequently. If there is an audio, how do I get the desired audio that I want? I have an audio of 5 minutes. How do I get an audio only of 2 seconds, that 20 seconds that I want? Okay, now what you do, go to the audio. There is an audio option on the media circle. Remember this, there is no other audio option on anywhere. You just have the audio option here on the media circle. One is the audio option and another is the recording option. Let me just add the audio. How to add an audio? Click on it, go to the folders, and just select wherever you have. For example, if it's a WhatsApp audio, go to it, then videos, then wherever it is, just go and pick it up. Fine. Let me just pick an audio of Surat al-Maryam here. Fine. Okay, it is to add it up, just add a plus mark. Just click on it and go to the plus mark. It will be added to the video. Where is it added? It is added as a layer. It is not the base of the video. It is a layer of the video. Remember, everyone, here is the base, video is the base. This is the layer now. This is added as a layer. This is added as a layer. For example, I need only the ayah number 10 to 12 from this Surah Al-Maryam. We have almost 100 ayahs in it, right? Probably 90 plus ayahs in it. What you have to do is you have to go to that ayah. Where is that ayah? Just let me listen it. It might be around 3rd minute, okay? You want the audio from 3 minute to 6 minute only. What you have to do, go and click on this audio, go to wherever you want. Where is it? Somewhere 3 minutes. Let me just go to the 3rd minute of this audio. I have gone to the 3rd minute. What I'm going to do, just see here, trim and split option. Where is the trim and split option of the audio? It is here, the trim and split option. Okay, let me just click on that option and split this audio. Okay, split this audio up, and or we can delete the audio from the left and delete the audio from the right. Whichever you want, you can do trim and split option. Click on it, trim from the left or trim from the right. Okay, let me just trim from the left. I want from 3 seconds to 4 seconds, 3 minutes to 4 minutes. Let me just go till here and then trim right. Okay, I do not want the rest of it. Now I've got the 3 to 4 minutes audio. Now what I'll do, I'll drag it till the first. I'm dragging it just here. Press it hard and drag it till the first. Why we are dragging it to the first? So that we can match it up with the video, right? Match it up with the video. Yes, please give it a try. Practice along with me so that you can understand this. Most of you have raised this doubt, how to just get few seconds from the audio. Again, if you want to break this audio up, go there, go to the audio, select the audio, go to the trim and split option, go to it and just trim it from the left. Wherever, listen to it, trim it from the left, and wherever you want to trim it from the right, trim it from the right, and delete the unnecessary content, and only the content that you want from that audio will be available here. Fine. This is how you trim and split the audio. There are few more options in an audio which we have already discussed. Let me show you. The mixer option is discussed, right? The replace option from the video is discussed already. The mixer option is discussed. Equalizer is discussed. Volume envelope was already discussed. Reverb was discussed. Voice changer was discussed. One thing called as a loop was not discussed. I'll tell you what loop is. If you have a video of 1 to 2 hertz and you have a, I'll tell you, if this video is of, okay, I'll just duplicate it and tell you. Okay, if this video is of 1 minute, okay, and I have an audio of only 10 seconds, fine. For example, for yesterday's video, I would have shown it for you. So let me just trim it out. Trim. Right. Okay. This is the audio that you have. It is of 9 seconds only. Now, if you want to play this audio that is of 9 seconds throughout the video, you want to make it repeat, and play throughout the video till the 1 minute 11 seconds. And this audio is of just 9 seconds, and you want it to be played throughout the video till 1 minute 10 seconds, and what you do is you click on it and click on the loop option. This will be played throughout the audio. But loop option, you have to add another thing, loop to end. Okay, loop till the end, it will be looped. Okay, it will be played for every 9 seconds, it will be played again until the end of the video. See how beautifully it is done. Understood? This is how the background thing, background voice or something like that, background music. If the music is just a background music is just of 2 seconds or something, what they do is just to click on the loop. They do not have to add 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds each time. You just have to click on the loop and then loop till the end. Understood? This is the new option that we have studied. Remember this, the loop to end. What more option? These are the things that are required for the audio editing. Okay, now we are just discussing about audio editing and audio enhancement. Please dear sister, concentrate. Audio editing, loop till the end. And then we have already discussed the volume envelope, the volume changer, the equalizer, the reverb option. This was already discussed while editing the audio of the video. And then the voice changer was discussed. The loop is discussed now. The loop to the end is discussed. And then trim right and left of the trim or split right and left of the video or the audio is discussed, right? So you have to remember all of these things, how to trim the audio and how to make it as a loop so that it will be throughout the video. Fine. So there's few more options on audio editing. I'll just cover it all up so that it will be easy for you all to remember. So these were the trim right and trim left options and all of the options that were discussed about the audio editing. Fine. Then let me just click on this one. Fine. So we have this option. Let me just click on the 3-dot option that is on the control bar. 3-dot option. There are so many options here. Just read it out. It is nothing but first is a duplicate, bring it to front, bring forward, send backward, send to back, center horizontally, center vertically. This will be used for the layering. Fine. These are only used for the layers. These options are used for the layers. For example, if you have let me just insert the layer and show media layer. Let me just insert 2 layers. Fine. One this photo and one this photo. Okay, 2 layers are inserted now. These are the 2 layers that are inserted. Now, if you want to bring Bismillahirrahmanirrahim towards the front, okay, just I'll click on the Bismillah. I'll go to the 3-dot option that is on the control bar and I'll just click bring to front. Okay, you can also center horizontally by clicking on this one, center horizontally. You can just click on center vertically by clicking. If you, for example, if you have placed it here, if you want to center it horizontally, it will come to the center of the horizontal position. If you want to center it vertically, it will come to the center of the vertical position. And this way, if you want to bring a EDU-SITE logo in front, you can just click on that EDU-SITE logo and just you can bring it to the front. And this way you're going to work with these tools. Fine. These are the tools that you have with the layers. Few more tools are available for the layering. We'll discuss now, inshallah. These are just the tool discussions. Inshallah, for just 1 or 2 classes, we will be having the tool discussions or about the advanced tool discussions. And after that, we are just going to edit the videos, start editing the videos in the class, inshallah. So for now, let me just see. These are the things that I've given. Probably you all have noticed that we have used few tools, namely the CHROMA key. Fine. We'll see few more tools that are available here. Most of the tools like adjustments and the transform. The transform is nothing but the same thing. You can just move it to any position. Okay. Move these layers to any position. For example, this position, any position in the Y by using this. You can just rotate it here and you can just see. Okay. Or you can just do it with your fingers. That's all. You can just do it with your finger. The mid point finger here and just move it like this. Okay, you do not have to use a transform tool. Okay, then the cropping tool, the in animation tool, the out animation tool, the overall animation tools were already discussed. So this is how you actually edit the layers. Fine. So let me just again explain to you the CHROMA key. If this is a CHROMA key, you're just going to the CHROMA key to remove the background of this video. You're going to enable it and you're going to select the key color as white color because the background of this content is white. For now, this is done. Okay, I'll not consider this. I'll go with the green screen content now. Fine. Let me just add a layer. Okay. How to add a layer? Click on the layer. Media. Why is layer used, my dear brothers and sisters? It is used just to add video upon video, photo upon photo, or the text upon the video. Fine. Remember this. Fine. So where are we? Let me just add some videos like this. Okay. There is some green screen content. So this is how the green screen content appears. Usually they add the green somewhere in the content. For example, this was a laptop that they have and they have just removed some content from there. For example, if for example, let me just make this as a base video. To make this as a base video, I do not have to work more. Let me just increase the size of it. Let me just increase the size of it. Okay, the size is increased. Fine. I want that the behind video will play in this screen. Okay, in this laptop screen. How do I do it? I just go to the green screen content. Where is our green screen thing? That is chroma key. Click on it, chroma key. Enable the chroma key, my dear sisters and brothers here. See, just by enabling the chroma key, you have got the background that was behind. Now play it. It looks so beautiful when you play. Just see here. It is actually playing the behind video, fine? Yeah, the video that is behind. Okay, so this is how you add the layering. Fine. For example, this is not looking good because it is not joining the aspect ratio of the video that we had already, right? So the aspect ratio is different for both of the videos, so it might not seem right. Now I'll take another video. I'll consider another video for you. This how to add the layers. Go to the media. Okay, for example, if you have this one, okay, if you want to create a subscribe button, you just can create it in this green screen and then add it somewhere in the this one, and just remove the green screen content. That's all. To make a video, make it in a green screen and then you can add it. Oh, see, I'll tell you how you're doing this. Okay, this is the content that you have. Okay, if you play it, it will show that subscribe to the channel, and you want this at the end of the video. Let me just how to move this to the end of the video. Press it tightly and move it to the end of the video, end of this video. So it is the end of the video. Okay. Okay, we have gone till here. Now it is showing in the green screen. How to remove this green screen from this video? Okay, there's a video. We trying with the video to remove the green screen, the background screen of the video. Go to the chroma key. See, chroma key works wonders. Just click on enable. Okay, the green screen is removed completely because I told you chroma key works accurate with the green screen. Just see here. Subscribe button. This is how actually the creators create the project. What they do is they create this green screen thing separately. Green things create things for the logos and all, they create it separately and keep. And for every video they just remove the chroma key and add it as a layer somewhere. For example, in the video, have you all not seen somewhere in the midst of the video this things appear? This things appears at the side somewhere. Sometimes somewhere it appears in the mid, showing that subscribe to the channel, subscribe to this video, like this video, do something to this. You can add as many layer as you want, depending upon the capacity of your storage and depending on the capacity of your smartphone. Okay, it is truly based on your smartphone. Adding the layers can be only one for few of the videos. If your smartphone is of old versions, if it is a newer version, you can add as many layers as you want. Fine. So this is a subscribe button. You can also make it as a layer. How to do it? You just go to the chroma key and just enable the chroma key. And also you can adjust, you can make it seem more perfect by just adjusting. Okay. Let me just not adjust it because the accuracy will be fine in whenever it is green color. Okay. So this is how you mention the buttons or add the layers to the videos to the videos. Fine. See, the video is playing inside the video. So this is a video that is playing upon the video, right? Video playing upon the video by removing the backgrounds. See, the video playing upon the video by removing the backgrounds. See, is it not good? Yes, it looks good, right? Video upon video upon video can be added just by using the layer content. Okay, we have seen the media option. In that we have seen so many videos that we can add, and we have seen how it works, how the green screen content works. Okay, few more videos I have. I'll just show you how we can do it. Just a moment. Okay, let me just find some green screen content so that I can help you all out with. Okay, there's nothing available. Okay, that was the green screen content that we had. Okay, this is how I created it for some other channels here. I wanted some social media icon video. We call it as social media icon videos. Fine. To make this, we charge so much. So we charge around 1,000 plus. Okay. Just remember this. These are for editing. These are the social media icon videos that we create for each of the channels that we create. See here, I'm just showing you the tricks how you do it. These are the 4 things that we have that I have created for some channels, for YouTube channels. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the social media icon videos. Fine. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I created my own. Use your creativity and create it in your own way. Just see here. This I have created by my own. When I've created this, it is nothing but a green screen content that I have created. Okay, see here, it is nothing but a green screen content that I have created. It appeared in this way. Fine, this is a video. Probably it's not visible, right? Because there are too many layers on it. Let me delete this layer as well. Okay. Okay, when you play it, it actually is a green screen content. What you have to do is you have to remove the green screen out of it. Just click on it and remove the green screen out of it. Where is how to remove the green screen? And you can add it throughout the videos. Chroma key, go to the chroma key, enable the chroma key. This will be deleted. You place it somewhere here. Now, when the video is played or whenever you have a Quran recitation or something, you will add some other layers of the text, and then you will add this social media icon things, social media icon videos as a layer somewhere in this way on the timeline for some of the gaps, leaving some of the gaps, and you add it. It will look so beautiful. So while creating the content, these are the important things that you have to note. Okay, these are the social media icon videos. Okay, social media icon videos where we mention their website names, their Instagram video names and more, Instagram handle names, Facebook handle names and more. Okay, so this is how you do it. Just remove the background by chroma key and place it somewhere. This you have to make by your own, these videos there. It's quite easy to make. Okay, this just select here to subscribe button, to just have a subscribe button. What you do, you go some, again you have to remove the chroma key. These are the videos that you create just for it will be just created within 1 to 2 hours. All of these videos you can create and keep, and you can add it to the any of the videos. See, while playing, this will appear in the video that you're editing for them. Fine, for example, this is the video that you're editing, and somewhere in the middle, these things, the small annotations, the small social media icon videos that are played as a layers to this videos. Fine, dear sisters and brothers. So this is a trick and tactics that you have to learn, inshallah, in the future if you're going to for the photo and video editing as a profession, inshallah. So these are the things that you have. See here, you have just removed the chroma key, and there are more such icons that I have created for each of the channels. See, in this way, you will have so many icons that you're going to add their logos and create some icons so that will be used inside the videos. Fine. Okay. This was just about the chroma key, the green screen things. Okay. In yesterday's class as well as today's class, we have discussed about the use of the green screen content. I want you all to have concentration in these classes. The upcoming classes are very important for you all, so that you are learning how to add the layers, how to add the text, how to add the effects upon this. Okay, so isn't it all looking beautiful? So this would be your homework for tomorrow's class, to add subscribe button, to add some buttons, to add the logos without the green screen and more. Okay, just removing the green screen. These are the videos that you can add upon the videos, and inshallah this will be the homework for tomorrow's class. So we are almost time for the class. I want you all to raise doubts whatever you have, and let's just recap whatever we have studied, inshallah. Let me just stop screen sharing. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let me just see your chat box, whatever doubts you all are going through. Please type in the chat box and let me know if you have any doubts, and let me know if you did not find anything easy. Inshallah, I'll help you out to clear up all of the concepts, inshallah. So chalo, boom your chat box with the doubts or lesson recap. Is it only working for green background? No, dear sisters, I have shown you with the white background as well. It was in yesterday's class I had shown you. Do you all remember it? Please type yes if you remember it. From where do we get these green screen content? I have told you we can create this by our own. I have shown you I have created the content. Yes, alhamdulillah, I have shown you with the white background in yesterday's class. Probably you all remember it, right, dear sisters? Yes, mashallah. So from where do we get this green screen content? You can create it by your own, dear sisters, or you can just do is what you can do is, okay, someone asked, Okay, I'll just go through the previous question and then I'll answer the next question. From where do we get this green screen content? You can get this from the YouTube. Okay, you can just search for the green screen background, green screen background for YouTube logo, background for YouTube logo. You can search for that and you can download it. In yesterday's class, I have told you how to download the YouTube video. Okay, green screen background for YouTube videos. YouTube, okay, or Instagram, green screen background for Instagram. You can just write, okay. They'll give you a logo for Instagram. They'll give you some space so that you can add your logo in it, and they'll show you the button called as follow. Okay. Yes, dear sisters, this is how you do it. Okay, this is all available on YouTube. You can just download those videos and keep, and you can add your own logo on it. Okay, you can add your own logo. For example, it will show something like this one, and they'll show it you follow, and they'll show some Instagram thing there. Okay, so these are the social media icon videos that are available. So keep a note about this. Okay, social media icon videos on YouTube. You can find it, and you can just download it and keep. Fine. All of these are very essential when you're going to the professional video editing. Fine. And next question, I'll take the next question. Okay, I'm not getting the options of in animation. Dear sister or brother, it is available. It is available. It must be available. It will be available. Please share the screenshot with me. I will help you out. Okay. I do not have advanced options, chroma key, animation. There is no option called animation. There is an option called chroma key. It is available in any version of the KineMaster. It is available. Please share the screenshot with me. Probably you have not seen, probably you have not scrolled down the screen. Please scroll down the screen for the editing options and you will find it soon. Okay. Any more doubts from the class? Any more doubts on the chroma key? Any more doubts on the in animation, out animation, overall in animation? Any more doubts? Please write it down now, or please text me. I'm available every time. I'll help you out with this, inshallah. So can we all recap what we have studied in today's class? It was basically about audio editing tools, right? Basically about audio editing tools and green screen content. Yesterday we had seen with the white screen content, white background. Today it was with the green screen content, right? Yes, I want you all to recap. Please boom your chat box. The looping was discussed. This is an important aspect. I'm going to give you some audio today and I'll tell you how to loop it and send it to me. Fine. I want you all to work on looping of the audio. Fine. Looping of the audio will be for today's homework. And another is green screen content will be for today's homework. Okay. Listen the classes with the concentration so that you will be, inshallah, you'll be able to write your homework, do your homework well. Fine. Okay, any more things that we had discussed today? It was based on opacity. Very good. Yes, you had a doubt about dragging the audio clip. Is it cleared now? Yes, it is cleared probably because we have dragged it and shown in the class, right? How to drag the audio clip. Yes, dear sister, is it clear now? How to drag the audio clip? Chat box. Yes, Alhamdulillah, mashallah. So this is how you drag the audio clip. It was shown at the beginning of the session. You can go to the recording and check it again. The opacity was discussed in today's class. Excellent, your sister. Opacity. What does opacity mean? You can place your logo somewhere and just decrease the opacity so that it will be visible throughout the video, and no one can just copy your content. No one can just take your content and put it on there and show that it is theirs, but it will have your watermark on it. Okay, so opacity, the lowering the opacity of your logo is very essential and it is quite useful. Any more thing that we have learned, please write it in the chat box so that we will just recap it, so for other sisters who have joined late. Okay, please type in the chat box so that it will be helpful for other students. The loop thing, the opacity thing, and one more thing was discussed. Do you all remember about the thing named the adjustments? After the adjustment, there was something. Yes. Yes, trimming audio was discussed. Editing audio was discussed. Loop audio was discussed. There was something with the my layers got stuck when I applied the blending options. Okay, the blending options was discussed. This is very important, the blending options. Okay, the blending options were discussed in today's class. Okay, your layer got stuck when you applied the blending options. It is based on your smartphone, dear sister or brother. It is based on your smartphone. The compatibility of your smartphone actually decides how well you can add the layers. If you have 2 to 3 layers in your video, it might not work. Okay, it might not work because 2 to 3 videos in the advanced adjustment, you can adjust it and see in the first page of the KineMaster there is something called advanced settings, and they on there you will have how many layers you can put in a video. Okay, it might be 1 to 2, just adjust it till 4 to 5 layers. Okay, adjust it and see it, inshallah it might go well with you. Okay, try it out. Umair Khan, someone named Umair Khan, please try it out. Okay, any more doubts, dear sisters and brothers? Yes. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So this was the class for today, inshallah. If you have any doubt, please WhatsApp me, inshallah. I'll be available. I'll try to clear your doubts, inshallah. So for downloading in PC, it's the same procedure. You can online download it, same procedure. Same procedure. Copy the URL, online YouTube video downloader, press there, click on the paste the URL, and then okay, you have BlueStack software. Okay, you can do it with that, I guess. Yes, you can do it with that if you have some softwares available for that. Most probably the softwares that are available give you so many ads. Okay, so we actually, to avoid all those, we just do not download it and we just make use of the online YouTube downloaders or something like that. Okay, so this was a class for today. I hope you all found it useful. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters.